Check it out, guys, I fixed the floor. Just kidding. Getting ready to fix the floor though. So there, we basically, that was our cardboard aided design. There's our patch. We're gonna do some bends now and start to actually test fit it into the car. Cleaned off all the rust around the hole, about to do some weld through primer on it and get the patches on there and move on to the rest of the floor. Getting dirty in here, so look at that. We got the firewall all kind of held in place, basically ready to weld. Fitted all perfect. Next floor pan's coming in pretty good. But just a little bit too big, so we had to make this extra patch here, like that. We're gonna get that all snug and perfectly welded in there. Whew, there's a lot of shit in here. Look at this. Final test fit for the passenger driver side here. And get it all coated before we weld it. Oh, another day on the Duster. Got the firewall welded. Got the floor patch in, perfectly prepped and held in with some rivets for now. Same with the other side. Got that all perfectly fit in there and riveted real nice. Ready to be welded tomorrow. Same with the back. We got a couple patches back there. One or two patches over here. Boom! Got all the floor pans welded in. Next we're going to seam seal all the edges of these panels, make sure they're completely watertight, and then we're going to get some coating on there and then we'll move on to the next thing. Got the floor all finished, new floor pans in, all the patches are welded in. Coated with all kinds of crazy rust preventative epoxy type rock hard stuff that should last for another 50 years or however old this car is already. Yeah.